Hello everyone, welcome to another Robinhood tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer from your Robinhood to your bank account, or basically how to withdraw. This is going to be really easy since I don't have a Robinhood account. This is basically how you can do it. So on your app, you'll need to select your account and then you'll need to go to transfers. From transfers, you can choose to transfer money from your debit card or bank account, right? Then you will need to enter the amount you'd like to transfer. It's really simple, right? Just enter the amount. Then you will choose to transfer money to your debit card or your bank account. Now, if you want to your bank account, which is what this video is about, click bank account. Now, if your bank qualifies, you'll see instant transfers as an option, or you can select for a faster withdrawal, right? If you have instant transfers, these withdrawals will be faster within 24 hours, I think, or even less. And then you just need to review the withdrawal, and you'll see the calculated fee and everything for debit card or for instant transfers for your bank account, and then you just select transfer. It's as easy as that, guys. If you have any questions around this process, comment down below and I will definitely help you out. And if you want to see more Robinhood tutorials on our channel, then definitely check out our channel. Thank you guys for watching.